Alright, today we're gonna change the sway bar links, which is this piece right here. Has a bolt on top and it has a bolt on the bottom. I believe this is a 13-inch or 13 millimeter. I'm sorry, 13 millimeter on top and 13 millimeter on the bottom. Or you can use 1/2. I believe. I think it's 1/2 and standard. What you do is you take a wrench on top and you take a wrench on the bottom, you hold it and you unscrew it. Alright, and that's how you do it. Put a wrench on top. I don't have a long thing, so I'll put a wrench on top and try to unscrew it from the bottom part. Usually, like if you're on the highway, you're doing about 55, 60, and if your steering wheel is shaking a little bit, usually you have to replace these things. They're called sway bar links. Takes forever to take it off. Okay, after you totally unscrew the whole thing, it comes off like that. There's a rubber piece. They sell rubber ones at AutoZone or Advance or O'Reilly's. They're just rubber. They also sell mule parts, which are polyurethane versus rubber pieces. And those are usually better for any suspension. Just take that off. Turn them on. Now all you got to do is take a hammer and hammer it to take it all the way off. It should come, the bottom piece shouldn't just fall straight up. Okay, that's the old piece. What I did is I kind of put some pliers in it and knocked the top piece off, so it'll be easier to get off. And you can tell this thing is supposed to be pretty thick all the way through. These are pretty old too. Alright, these are the old pieces. This is from the right side, or the left side from the, if you're sitting on the driver's seat, this is from the left side. This is from the right side. You can tell.
Show me the fresh.
Okay. Just basically old nasty pieces. You can tell that how thick it's supposed to be and then how thick it was. Then you have the fresh piece, which looks like that. You can tell the difference. It's kind of old. Yeah. Take this. Screw. This is how it's supposed to be. This is how it was. So you can tell the major difference. Especially on this one. This one is pretty much about to fall off. Break somewhere. Next time you hit a bump or something. Well, we're about to go back and put this new piece on. Okay, about to put the new piece back in where the old one was. This actually takes a little bit different socket, and I actually have a long one for this, which is 14 millimeters from the top, and the bottom is 1/2, or I'm sorry, 9/16. Yep, 9/16, or 14 millimeters also. So what you do is basically unscrew this part from the top. So move to the side. And this is how it's supposed to look. You got the link in the middle. This is where that piece is going to go, and the top piece is going to go right here. So take these off. Set it off to the side. Take this one off. Set it off to the side. Take that off. Take this off. Go in here, put it in through the bottom, put the top piece on top like that, put the middle connector, Put the other piece straight, facing upwards. Slide it through here. Put the top piece on top. It's supposed to look like this. If it's really raised high and you can't get the bolt in, get a crowbar through here, you pry it down and get it going. Let's see if I can squeeze it on. Nope, I have to do that. Okay. There you go. Put the crowbar underneath there. Stop it. Pull the thing off. Make sure you're tightening down, otherwise you have to do it again. To the bottom. Okay, while you tighten it on, it's gonna get smaller, get tighter. And at the end, when you're almost at the end, it'll actually start twisting through. That means you totally, just tie it as tight as you can. And at the end, it'll just start twisting through pretty much. That means you're done. It has a special little thing over here when you tighten it on to the max, and it'll just start twisting. Oh, there it is. After you take the top piece off, it should be about an inch on top, or 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters or an inch. It's just like that. Sexy. Brand new. Now, highway and test it. Make sure it works good. Probably your wheel will be straight and won't give you any vibrations. Thank you. Have a great day.